Shot? Well, if you'd have been here, you could have shot it.
Keeping the backblast area.
Here she goes.
Oh.
All right, is it clear behind the firing line there, Pat, for you? I can't see behind the shot tower.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, it's clear. I would suggest putting your fingers in your ears.
Right there, put a finger in my ear.
Countdown.
My other ear.
4, 3,
2,
1, go!
Oh my God! That's gone. Yeah! That's the black and
They are the McWanago Madmen. We have tours. If you're interested, we'll bring the guns, the Gatling guns, the cannons, the mortars. We have guns, we'll travel. So, contact us.
the McWanago line?
What we're going to have now for the kids, you see that mortar over on the side? We're going to fill it up full of candy, all right? We're going to shoot it off, and then you guys can run down there and get the candy, all right?
Okay.
Anybody want to go for candy?
Oh! Yeah.